Good morning, everybody. Happy July 3rd, Sunday. We're going to be talking about rewarding ways today and how you can make money online every single day to help supplement your income. Now, if you haven't watched the previous video, the first day I showed you Survey Junkie, you can make $5 with that. And then yesterday I showed you Prize Rebel. If you make $5 with that a day, that's $10 a day. Now I'm going to give you another website. You can rinse and repeat. Do the same thing you did on Prize Rebel to make your $5. You're going to do offers, you're going to watch videos, you're going to do surveys. Okay? You always want to go to your surveys. They have the best surveys if you're into surveys. If you're not, go to Offer Walls. I have zero cash, 0 points. This site you have to convert your points into cash. Total paid $60.76. You can do your survey, CPX Research, BitLabs, daily surveys. This shows the credited offers, the promo codes, the points history, the referrals. I have 13 referrals. You have Tap Research, Revenue Wall, Theorem Reach, Precision Sample, more surveys. You have Offer Walls. Okay, so you guys can make money with this. Okay, if you go to say Offer Toro, okay. Now I'm only showing you this because you can use these sites every day. Okay, they want to know what device you have saved. You can they're gonna update it. You're going to click on these. If you reach 2,000 points in a match, you get 92 cents. Okay, just for clicking one circular, you get 4 cents. If you sign up for Amazon Music, you get 51 cents. If you download this game and play for a day, you get 63 cents. So this stuff is really easy, guys. You just have to do it. Over here is their shout box. It shows what people are doing to earn some money. They do pay. I've gotten payouts by PayPal with them. It is a legit site. Like you can always click on their offer to see if you have it available or what surveys they did. $1.21, 40 cents, 15 cents, 32 cents, 2.50, 15 cents, 94 cents, 94 cents. If I click on cash, or if I click on withdraw cash, a minimum $1, okay? You can do PayPal, instant PayPal once a day, but it's a minimum $1, okay? You can also do Skrill, or you can do Point and do Amazon or a bunch of gift cards, okay? Um so with Survey Junkie, I showed you the first day. Prize Rebel, that's $10 if you use those two sites. If you make $5 a day on rewarding ways, that's $15 a day. Okay. The other thing that you guys want to do is make videos like this. Show people that you can make money with this. Put your referral link in the description. Mine will be in the description if you use it. This site gives you a bonus for signing up through my link. Okay. Make videos. Show people that you can do this. It doesn't take that long. Run videos while you're at work. You make money for the ads that are playing. So you can do this. Share with people that you can do this. You'll get sign-ups when they work, you get rewarded. Sometimes, just like mine, I have 0.0 cash. That's because my 13 referrals aren't doing anything, but that doesn't reflect on me because I just get on here and I make $5 and I cash out when I need it. So make sure that you're using these sites every single day to help your family out, because $15 a day for a week, guys, you could make some serious money. All right. So make sure that you sign up today. Make sure you check this site out, see what you can do, go to the offer walls, do some paid surveys. You guys can do this. It just takes time. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow for day 4. There'll be a brand new site. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so you'll get notified when I drop new content. Have a great day.